Hi, I'm Tia and I'm from Westchester, New York.
And my name's Eden, and I'm from Bergen County, New Jersey.
My name is Sean Story, and I am out here from Las Vegas, Nevada.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm originally from Westchester, but I'm currently living in Arizona.
So, what I loved most about the Peaceful Warriors Camp at Honors Haven was the fact that so many like-minded people came together and built this sense of community that allowed us to search for ourselves and do all these trainings efficiently in a way that there was freedom for us to expand and grow.
What I like about Peaceful Warriors Camp at Honors Haven is that it's an amazing place to learn and to experience deeper thinking, inner thinking, exploring your spirituality. There are many masters and staff members who are really here to help you, and just being with other people, the community, it's like a very friendly and safe environment. And
What I love about Peaceful Warriors Camp and this program is just the space to experiment and, look inside and touch into different parts of yourself. The atmosphere here is really accepting. The people are very open and judgment-free. So it's a really great weekend and space for you to tap into different parts of yourself and let go of self-judgment, to really grow on what it is you want for yourself.
So what I found out about myself here is so much, honestly. I was able to tap into my body physically. We did so many physical challenges, coming to terms with our fear of heights and coming to grips with looking silly while we were doing certain exercises. And you really get to push your boundary and get to know yourself on a deeper level, which without having the masters here pushing us to our limits, wouldn't have been able to do on my own.
So I think that the biggest insight that I got from this weekend was to focus on the process instead of focusing on the result. Because so often we get tied up in I want to have this certain outcome. I want to be at this level of fitness. I want to be at this kind of level in my life. But instead of focusing so much on where I want to be or where I think I should be, I learned that just to focus on the process of getting there, spending more time to take care of myself, spending more time to do things that fulfill and enrich my soul and my spirit and grow that, and focus on the positive more. So I'm going to carry that with me, not only in the next chapter of my life that I'm beginning, but through my whole life itself, to just focus on the journey and not the destination.
So in our high school, we're running a club this year that we want to really open up and help others in our community and school and just reach out to other teams who we think would really appreciate this. It incorporates a lot of ideals of Brain Body and Peaceful Warriors Camp, and we really are taking all these experiences that we learned and different ideas, just everything.
yes,
Warm-up exercises.
with these exercises, exercises and experiences and all these lessons that we've learned, we hope to reach out and bring it to more people, specifically starting with our own community that we know, and hopefully from there it could blossom and reach more.
I would highly recommend coming to Honors Haven. The vibe here and the community that was built by the people who run this place was so uplifting and so freeing. It was unreal to have spent a weekend here. This 3 days has changed my life, and I think anyone who comes here would be able to pick up on these subtle sense of community and the way that they're changing the world and the way that they can. So I would highly recommend anyone who wants to come to Honors Haven, who has the availability to do it, to act on that and to come out here, because you won't regret it.
I recommend Honors Haven just because it's really this amazing resort that's just encapsulated. We're all surrounded by nature, which really gives off a very peaceful energy, peaceful vibes. It's a good place for healing, relaxation, really just a place to get away from constant noise and busyness from everyday life. So I definitely would recommend this place.